This is Mike McGinnis reporting for Agriculture Online from the floor of the Chicago Board of Trade. And to end the week, corn and soybean prices were down the limit. If you look at the middle of the screen, you'll see the negative 30 numbers. This is the December corn and March corn futures contract chart that you're looking at, and you'll see the negative 30 numbers. That's down 30 cents, of course, the daily limit. And the December contract finished at $4.08 1/4. The March contract finished at $4.25 So in the options pit of the corn trading today, we went even lower than the 30-cent limit, down to $3.94. The soybean contract also down the limit today of 70 cents. For the November contract, it traded and settled at about $9.10. Synthetically, though, in the options, it went down to as low as $8.80. And the wheat contract, the December contract anyway, it closed down 41 1/4 cents, not the limit. The settlement price was $5.65. So a lot of pressure, and it came from a very bearish USDA Crop Production report today and supply demand report. The report basically saying that U.S. farmers are going to grow more corn, also a bit more soybeans this year. They raised the soybean yield, raised the corn yield a little bit. The soybean yield was kept about the same as the September estimate. But it was very bearish and put a lot of pressure on the grain markets. More so, though, maybe the financial crisis global economy seems to be depressed, and that had a lot of pressure on this grain market as well, as crude oil prices dropped below $80, down at $8 per barrel at one time. A lot of pressure on the markets, and we'll continue to watch to see how we come out of this. It was a year ago that Agriculture Online came on the floor of the Board of Trade, and we've been here a year now, so I wanted to look back at what prices were when we arrived and what they are now. Well, a year ago, the December corn contract was trading at $3.51. That means we are only 43 cents away from that same price. The November soybean contract was trading at $9.76. We are now 91 cents below that year-ago price, and for the December wheat contract, we are $3 below a year-ago price of $8.57. I want to thank all those that have followed us this past year on Agriculture Online and the Marketing Discussion Group. Of course, Market Eye posts are ones that we take pride in, and we do appreciate you making your comments in there as well. Mike McGinnis reporting for Agriculture Online from the floor of the Chicago Board of Trade.